Welcome back, everyone. This is lesson 4, unit 2, lesson 4, story time. زي ما انتم عارفين, in every unit, lesson 4 is a reading lesson, and this is the little inventor. Little inventor, okay, let's go to chapter 2. Read the second part of the story. What do you expect Amal will do next? Let's read together and find out what Amal will do next. Read, start Yusuf Tamer. Read this paragraph.
At the fair, they came closer. Amal faced many problems. The robot wouldn't talk. The wires kept breaking. Some children laughed behind her back.
Oh my gosh, yeah, people will laugh at you when you're falling. محدش هيسيبك في حالك. As the fair day came closer, if something came closer, يعني approaching, تقترب, okay? Amal faced many problems. The robot wouldn't talk. The wires kept breaking. Some children laughed behind her back. Okay, Abdullah, read this paragraph. Abdullah.
Amal felt Amal felt like giving up, but then she remembered her parents' words and decided to receive. I won't give up. I will fix this,
Good
she
job.
said.
Thank you.
Okay.
Amal felt like giving up. Give up, stop. But then she remembered her parents' words and she decided to preserve. All right? I'm sorry, pres persevere. Yeah, persevere. يعني إيه persevere؟ يعني continue, not preserve. When I preserve something, I protect it, but this is persevere. You insist on doing something. I want to give up. I will fix this. Persevere. Okay, Sama.
Claire helped her by giving ideas. She showed empathy when others felt frustrated. It's okay to make mistakes. She told her you can do it.
Yeah, so here, Yara helped her by giving her ideas. She showed empathy. يعني إيه بقى empathy؟ إنك to share people's feelings. إنك تشارك الناس في مشاعرهم. تعاطف مع حد. When Amal felt frustrated. يعني frustrated يعني she was so sad إن هي she would fail. It's okay to make mistakes. طبيعي ما نتعلم إزاي. She told her, you can do that. يبقى empathy معناها the ability to understand and share the feelings of another one. Okay, next, Mariam Hassan. Little by little,
Little by little, Amal fixed the problem. She checked her sources online to make sure she was learning from safe, trustworthy places. She stayed true to her values and never copied other work without permission.
little by
Finally,
little, thank you. Amal fixed the problems. She checked her sources online to make sure that she was learning from safe, trustworthy. لازم الواحد حاليا في ثورة المعلومات اللي احنا فيها تتشيك the liability of everything. صلاحية كل حاجة بتاخدها أو بتتعلمها. يبقى هنا she trustworthy, okay, معناها إن الانفورميشن دي is honest or not. إن الانفورميشن دي هل هي relied or not. يبقى trustworthy places الأماكن to be trusted. If a place or a website is trustworthy, it's trusted. She stayed true to her values. طبعا الإنسان فينا لازم يكون عنده principles و values, والإنسان فينا بيستمد ال values من دينه. Never copied others. She worked, okay, without permission. لازم لما تيجي تاخد حاجة أو تكوبي حاجة لازم to take permission. لنا. لما. Okay. Noor, read.
Okay. Finally, on the night before the fair, the robot blinked its eyes and said hello. Aman and Yara cheered with joy.
We cheered with joy. So finally, on the night before the fair, the robot blinked. يعني blink يعني open and close eyes. Blink blink blink. يغمض عينه ويفتح عينه. يرمش يعني. Eyes quickly and said hello. Amal and Yara cheered with joy. So what do you expect Amal will do next? She will win, I think. This is one of my expectations. She will win the competition. طيب عندنا مجموعة. Okay. Let's do these questions together. Question number 1. Adam Shaban. Amal faced many problems as the fair day came closer, such as the robot didn't talk and the wires
kept breaking.
kept breaking. 2. Lama, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. When Amal felt like giving up, she remembered her parents' words and decided to
Preserve.
persevere.
Persevere.
Yeah, she decided to persevere. Okay, good. 3. Yara helped Amal by giving ideas and she showed when she felt frustrated. Yusuf Al?
Laura helped Amal by giving ideas, and she showed when she felt frustrated. Anger.
ازاي anger ده وقفت جنبها وطبطبت عليها.
أنا empathy sorry.
Empathy. Okay.
Empathy.
4. Amal made sure she never copied others' work without ايه يا سما؟ Without permission. What problems did Amal face as the fair day came closer? Okay. What problems did she? Adam Helmi?
The robot wouldn't talk.
The robot didn't talk. هو هنا بيسألك what problems? Problems, more than one. Problems.
The wires kept
Uh,
breaking.
yeah, and the wires kept breaking. The wires kept breaking. Good. Who helped Amal when she felt frustrated? Mariam Hassan, where are you?
Yara.
Yara. Okay. She showed empathy. Why did Amal decide not to give up? Why did she decide not to give up? Ibrahim? No. All right. Okay. All right, Abdurrahman, go ahead.
Because she remembered her parents' advice to not give up.
Because she remembered her parents' advice. Good job. That's wonderful. Because she remembered her parents' advice not to give up. That's set for lesson 4. علاء اتفضل. The question.
لا رفعته بالغلط بس.
It's okay. طيب anyways,